Well, good afternoon. My name is Nzingha Assata, and I'm an author of 2 books in praise of our ancestors and women in the Garvey movement, book and poster. I'm in this country. I'm a mother and a grandmother, and obviously take quite an interest in culture in relation to people of African heritage. So the workshop that we're going to be talking about is the oral history of Carnival. Now, the Notting Hill Carnival, for those who've attended, is a Caribbean celebration which is aimed at highlighting and promoting Caribbean culture. It has a history in the Notting Hill area because of race uprisings in that area. And people such as Claudia, who I'll be speaking about in the presentation, and also showing a short video clip highlighting how she came to create the carnival and to become known as the mother of Carnival. I'll also be doing a short quiz with you just to test your knowledge of the carnival and what you know about it. And after the video, we will have some questions and discussions, because obviously we will see the different parades that take place at the carnival, the various sound systems, the soca music, etc. And you know, hopefully you'll be able to have many questions to ask about that. Now, the history of the carnival, as I've said, is in Notting Hill, so that's why it hasn't moved from that area, because people want to retain that authenticity of its origin. We'll also be looking at the different forms of music that are involved in Carnival, things like soca, calypso, steelpan, and during the 70s, I'll be talking about the fact that the sound systems, which are more a Jamaican form of music, doing dancehall and reggae, came on board. So if you like, synthesizing that Caribbean experience, drawing on the different areas of Caribbean culture. Certainly in Brazil, they also have a carnival in Rio. Trinidad is well known for its annual carnival, drawing people from all over the world to celebrate. And more recently in Jamaica, from the University of the West Indies, they have a carnival which blocks off the whole area, taking you down to Halfway Tree, where the revelers gather and you know, celebrate Carnival.